My name is Amarachi Oparago. One of the reasons, or some of the reasons we decided to embark on this project is, I think, mainly for cost reduction. We run on Band A electricity, and we are well aware of what the cost is. And then when we don't have electricity, we run on diesel. I mean, the price of diesel is so high these days that when you put the two together, the cost implication is terribly high. I mean, that's one of the reasons we decided to embark on LPV Solutions. And then secondly, for noise reduction, this is a company, we have staff, we have customers who work in here on a daily basis. We know how much noise diesel generators emit. So when you have so much noise, staff are not able to function or work effectively because of the noise. I mean, it's very, very distracting. And then when our customers come in here, I mean, it's not very good. So we also decided to embark on this project to reduce noise. And then thirdly, for health applications, we know generators usually emit CO2, which is not good for our health. I mean, we are mindful of the health of our staff and customers. So I think these are the major reasons we decided to embark on LPV Solutions. And I can say confidently that so far, we are really very good.